In this video, we are going to talk about a very important topic in Java, that is operators. Operators are symbols or words in Java that let us perform calculations, compare values, and control how data is processed in our programs. Let's dive in and see how they work. What are operators? Think of operators like tools in a toolbox. They help us add numbers together, check if values are equal, combine conditions, and much more. For example, int sum is equal to 10 plus 5. Here, the addition sign is an operator that adds two numbers. Types of operators. Java has several types of operators. Let's look at each one starting with the most common. Arithmetic operators. These are used for basic math. Here are some examples. This is used for addition. This is for subtraction. This one for multiplication, for division, and this one for finding the remainder called modulus. For example, int result is equal to 15 percentage 4 and the result is 3. The modulus operator gives you what's left over after dividing. Second is assignment operator. Assignment operators are used to assign values to variables. The simplest one is equal to. Int x is equal to 5. But there are also shortcuts like this one adds and assigns. This one subtracts and assigns. It multiplies and assigns. This one divides and assigns. And this does modulus and assigns. Example, int x is equal to 10, x plus is equal to 5. X is now 15. It's the same as writing x is equal to x plus 5. Next up is comparison operators. Comparison operators help us compare values. They always give us a result of either true or false. Examples: this checks if two values are equal. This one checks if they are not equal. This one is used to check if one value is greater than other, and this one to check whether value is less than the other. It checks if one value is greater than or equal to. This one checks if one value is less than or equal to. Here is an example. Logical operators. Logical operators helps us combine multiple conditions. They include logical AND, logical OR, and logical NOT. Here is the example. Here both conditions are true, so the result is true. Next up are unary operators. Unary operators work on single value. Example: increment adds 1, decrement subtract 1, logical NOT. Example, int a is equal to 5, a is now 6 because of increment sign. Pre-increment versus post-increment. This can be a little tricky. Pre-increment, that is plus plus a, increases the value first, then uses it. Post-increment a after plus plus uses the current value, then increases it. Example, int a is equal to 5, int b is equal to plus plus a. Here b is equal to 6, a is equal to 6. Next, a is equal to 5, int c is equal to a plus plus. Here c is equal to 5, a is equal to 6. Conditional or ternary operator. The conditional operator is a shortcut for an if-else statement. Syntax: condition question mark value if true colon value if false semicolon. Example, int age is equal to 18. String message is equal to 80 is greater than or equal to 18 question mark adult colon minor. Here message will be adult. Bitwise operators. Bitwise operators work at the binary level of integers. For example, AND, OR, XOR, NOT for left shift, for right shift. For example, int result is equal to 5 and 3. Result is 1. These operators are more advanced and used in areas like graphics, encryption, or optimization. Why operators matter? So, why should you care about operators? Operators are the building blocks of the logic in your code. They let you calculate results, check conditions, make decisions, change data efficiently. Without operator, our programs wouldn't be able to do anything meaningful. Let's recap. Operators are symbols that help us work with data. Java has different types: arithmetic, assignment, comparison, logical, unary, conditional or ternary, bitwise or advanced. These all are different types of operators used in Java. Understanding operators is essential for writing powerful and efficient programs. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.